Hey guys, I'm Michael Allen.
And I'm D'Angelo for TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Guys, we're in La Fortuna, Costa Rica, and we're going canyoneering with
PureTrek Canyoning, which is canyoneering is waterfall rappelling, or if you don't know what canyoneering is, you'll find out in a minute.
You will in a minute, so guys, come along. I think it's going to be fun. So be honest, are you nervous?
Yes.
A little?
Now I'm going to show you how to use it, right?
Me too. I'm going with you.
Yeah, okay.
One, two, three, go!
I'll take a close up.
You like it?
It was great. I loved it, and I am shaking with enthusiasm.
You sure that's not frightened in this?
More like fright, yeah. I didn't want to use that one.
That was awesome. Oh my God, guys, that was so fun. I think you can tell by the footage that people
Everybody
had a great
time.
Right?
Now this is waterfall rappelling, guys. This is a great thing to do out here in Costa Rica, especially because it rains a lot here, so you're gonna get wet regardless.
You know what? I don't know if there's attention to detail in canyoneering, but you could tell these guys know what they were doing,
Oh,
and
definitely.
you definitely felt safe, I think, right?
Oh yeah, well, except for that one time where I just it was pretty good. Pretty
Guys,
good trip.
there's other things to pick. There's other canyoneering things here. We're not saying one's better than the other. We're just saying if you pick PureTrek, we think
You
you're
wouldn't
gonna
be disappointed.
We think you're
Not
gonna
at
be really happy. So, don't you think?
I'd say so. Yes.
Guys, I'm Michael Allen.
And I'm D'Angelo for TravelCostaRicaNow.com.
Peace, guys. Hope it helps. God, that was fun.
I enjoyed it.